Yes, hello everyone over there. This is Dr. Isaac. Welcome to our channel. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Today we're going to learn about how to check for HIV from home without going to the facility or the clinic or the hospital. You can do this at home. You would like to know your status at home? Just do this. You have a girlfriend, she has come to check on you. You can do this to learn. You can as well check your boyfriend when he has come to visit you, or you're going to visit him, or your husband, you can check, or your relative or another person. So this information is so useful to all of us. Keep watching. So you'll need a testing kit which is determined for this case. This is how it looks when you get it out of the polythene. This is how it looks. Go to the pharmacy, buy it. It's around 2,000, 3,000. In some places 1,500. Check the expiry date. This one expires in 2023 October. So go buy it. So after buying this, the next thing will be, you come now back home with it. You'll need the buffer, and this is how the buffer will look like. They'll give you the buffer from the pharmacy. This is how it will be. In some cases, some people use normal saline as a buffer, so you can choose to use any. They all give you good results. So we're at home now. Get your strip. Where you see black signs, arrows, that's where you're going to open from. There is this provision, I see. Now use that to open. I'm going to open it with one arm, but you can use two as well to make it faster. So that's how it looks like. You're going to prick yourself, get your finger. So that's our finger, you see it? Mostly we use the third last finger because it's less painful, less supplied with nerves. So hold it somewhere around here, squeeze it, and then roll this pricker and remove the cover. You roll it backwards and then remove this cover. So you're going to use it to prick your finger. You prick your finger. Hope you see. Use it to prick your finger around there. Then squeeze blood and drop it over the spongy surface. Hope you're seeing this spongy surface here. This one here. This is sponge-like. Drop blood here. After dropping blood there, drop the buffer onto the blood. So get our buffer, open and drop it onto the blood, and then leave it to rest for 5 minutes, and then read the results after 5 minutes at least. So we've left our buffer onto the blood. They have run for at least 5 minutes. Now we can read the results. When the red line forms where there is control, I hope you can see the control there, then that means you're HIV negative. If it forms where there is control and also patient, in this case there will be 2 lines, meaning that chances are high that you're HIV positive, so we shall need to do other tests to confirm this. But if you're negative, it will form only 1 line, and that line will be towards the control. And then if you're positive with high chances, there will be 2 lines, where there's control and also where there's patients. So keep checking yourselves, be vigilant. See you in the next video. Let's keep learning. Thank you.